Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. I am so excited because we are going to be unboxing and flipping through the newest release from Cheralyn Darcey, The Language of Flowers Oracle. So every deck that I have purchased from Cheralyn Darcey, I have absolutely loved. I feel like her decks are thorough and they are so beautifully illustrated. So I'm super excited about this one. It's published by Rockpool and it retails for $21.95 in the US and $16.99 in the UK. All right, the back says, discover the energies of the blossoming plants from 44 of the Earth's sacred areas and how you can enrich your life with their messages. The meanings and explorations of each flower are based not only on the traditional language of flowers, but also the doctrine of signatures, so that this set can be used in any holistic botanical-based modality. Beautifully illustrated in block prints by the author to capture the raw beauty and magical energy of each flower, this set includes a guidebook filled with gardening tips, oracle guidance, and botanical information. Oh, I'm so excited! Okay, so already it is a stunning package. Ooh, look at the inside. I'm so excited. All right, there is the guidebook and the little download today flyer. And then here are the cards. Oh, there's the back. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's just flip through and then we will use the guidebook after when we pull a card. Here is the back. I love the colors. Very spring, floral. And the cardstock is your basic Oracle cardstock. It's glossy. It is flexible. It's not too thin. It is a little thin, but I am not mad at it. I feel like it's going to hold up. So here we go. All right. Ooh, this is the first time I am seeing a Venus flytrap in a flower deck. That is so cool. All right. Gardenia. Look at the temple looking building in the back. I love that. Another one I love. Oh, camellias are so pretty. The colors are stunning. They're vibrant, beautiful. This reminds me of the style of her Flowers of the Night Oracle. Love lavender. Oh my gosh. It's one of my most favorite scents. That's gorgeous. The colors, oh my gosh. So pretty. Oh, forget-me-nots. So I love that they're numbered. I love that there is no borders. There's the keyword there that it's about, and then you have the flower name. Oh my gosh, fun. This also reminds me of the Snorlax pit. Is it Snorlax in Star Wars? That's the hit I'm getting, so I'm going to go with it. That's not Snorlax. That sounds like a Pokemon. I'm so bad. Anyway, let me know down in the comments what I am butchering. And you call yourself a fan, Natasha. This is really beautiful. I love. Lotuses are just such a beautiful plant growing out of the mud and the ick to be so beautiful. The cards feel really good. They glide really well. These would be great for meditation, a daily pool. Oh, I love this. This is one of my favorite flowers. And then hibiscus. So those are my two top tier flowers. Gorgeous. I'm really loving the color. I am so drawn to vibrant, bright, lots of color decks. What a great deck for you to put in your altar space, to pull a card each day and then to have that energy looked at all day. This is just so pleasing to the eye. The color compositions, oh, love. It doesn't feel harsh or forced. It feels very fluid. So pretty. I'm excited to read through the guidebook. Pardon my sniffles. I have really bad allergies, and we just got done walking the dogs, so they are a little flared up right now. This is gorgeous. Here we go, hibiscus. Oh, that's so exciting. And look at the background. Oh. Wow, I love. What a beautiful deck. If you are looking for a gift for Mother's Day, this would be a beautiful gift for your mother who loves flowers, divination, or just learning about gardening in general, because I have a feeling this will just be a really good deck for all around, whether you want to tiptoe into divination or if you just want to use it to learn from or meditate. I feel like this is a great universal deck. All right, so let's shuffle this deck and see how it feels. Switch that over. I don't hate it. Yeah, it snaps back just fine. Shuffles just fine. None of the cards stuck together. Okay, can we get a card to read, please? All right. Purpose. Poinsettia. Love it. Oh my gosh. Okay. So before we go through here, let's just take a look at the contents here. We have introduction, how to use, and then we have some spreads, and then each of the cards' meaning here. All right. I'm so excited. This deck can be used in many ways to connect with nature, to learn, to hear, and to provide a greater understanding. The following are just a few suggestions, and I really encourage you to explore the possibilities of including this deck in practices and modalities you already enjoy and finding new ways in the future. So a flower a day, like we were talking about, oracle reading, meditation, like we were talking about, healing modalities. So they offer complementary healing modality suggestions, and you are advised never to ingest or physically use any plant material unless under the direct guidance of a registered healthcare professional. Yay. So education, each flower is an artistic representation of real life examples. Awesome. Okay, so then we have some spreads. Florals, seasonal advice. A bouquet for answers. How cute. The garden gate. Oh my gosh. Love it. And then it looks like there's one more. The Garden of Life. Wow. Okay, so let's go to 34. Past it. Purpose. Wow, look at all of the information you get. That's one thing about her decks that I really appreciate, are all of the different uses and information in her guidebooks. So the meanings, We have others need you. It could be personal or in a position in the community. Your knowledge, skills, and gifts are all of great importance to others right now. If you are seeking affirmation over anything, this is the time to put thoughts into action. A lightning, of burdens, friendship extended from others, and a new sense of your own personal worth and purpose. So challenges. Rebellion when all of the facts are not known or clearly understood, as well as a failure to forgive and work towards healing. Poinsettia often indicates a feeling of not fitting in or finding it hard to settle in new places, or not appreciating the smaller things in life to the full. Ego can also become a little too inflated under its influence. So I'm assuming that this would be a good, like if you use reversals, that would be a good reversal meaning. Okay, then we have botanical profile, indigenous to I swear I can read. Indigenous to Mexico and favored during Christmas for its bright red and green foliage. Poinsettia gained its English name from Joel Roberts Poinsett, the first U.S. minister to Mexico, who in 1825 introduced the plant to the USA. A small shrub, it will generally grow from 0.5 to 4 meters. The colored bracts are usually bright red, but sometimes light green, orange, cream, or pink. So then we have the gardening tips and then the place. So it looks like this place is the temple that's in the background. That is really cool. I love that. I love all of this information. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, I'm excited. I'm really looking forward to using this in my pick a cards, in my practices at home, and just for general well-being. I really, really love the art. I love the colors. I love that there's a lot of flowers in here that you don't normally see in generic or general oracle decks. I really love that there was a Venus flytrap. There's some of my favorites in here. So this deck to me, I really love. But I'm going to throw it to you. What do you think about this deck? Is it something that you would enjoy? Is it something that you were looking forward to? Or is this a hard pass for you? I'm really excited about it, so I am super interested to hear about it from you. So let me know down in the comments, and as always, thank you so much for being here, for spending your time with me. Thank you so much to my Patreons. You're amazing. And if you don't know, I do have a Patreon now, which has interesting little benefits. So go ahead and check that out. The link is in the description. I also have merch, and I'm working on some new merch. So yeah, all of the things. I'm super excited. There's a lot going on. So thank you for bearing with me and for going on this journey with me. I love each and every one of you. I'm so excited and grateful for this community, and I cannot wait to continue growing with it. So with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.